What's up, people? In this video I'm going to review the Bigboi electric sprayer that you see here. It is the SPRAYR10, and I hope you can hear me properly. There's a lot of road noise, but this sprayer, you get it for about $52 US plus tax from Carzilla.ca. You can save 5% using Car Detailing 5 as a discount code on pretty much most of the things on Carzilla. But basically this sprayer, it is, like I said, it's an electric sprayer. It has a 1200 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, gives you a 90-minute working time, no pumping, no trigger pulls. It's just, once you got it charged and you got product in there, you just press the trigger and it starts to spray, and there's a little light there and a little USB charging port right there as well. Now, this product was sent to me about, I would say 2 months ago, give or take. And simple packaging in the box. All you get is the bottle itself, as you can see there. And then a USB cord just like that. So USB on one side and then micro USB on the other side. I kind of wish it was USB-C, but it is what it is. But some of the little features of this product is it does have the LED charging light. Of course, USB charging, and then you can adjust the nozzle. Nice trigger. You can twist this off, and that's your 1 liter capacity bottle right there. But enough of the box. With the actual product itself, like I said, I've been using it for about a month now. I've refilled this on a single charge so far about 7 times, from empty all the way to full, and 7 times, and it's still got juice. I haven't recharged it. But where I use this is in a rinseless wash situation. So in this bucket here, I'll show you. This video style is going to be a bit different. Not a lot of editing, and it's going to be more just talking without a voiceover. But so in the bucket, I got my O&R solution. And what I do is, as I'm washing the vehicle with my rinseless, I just dunk this in there, fill it all the way up. And in this case, I'm not actually doing a rinseless wash. I already completed one. But basically, you just do that. Twist this guy back on. And it does have a weighted little thing on the end there, as you can see. So it does pick up most of the solution before it starts to sputter out air. I say most because when it gets down to the last little bit right here, it does pull in air, that's for sure. So then once I got it all set up like that, you just trigger pull and that's it. It just instantly sprays and there's nothing else to it. This, like I said, is adjustable. So you can go from a stream like that all the way to a fine mist, and that's how I use it when I do a rinseless wash. Just like that, I mist the panel, get a whole bunch of beads of water onto the surface, and then I go in with my wash sponge. So pretty simple. It says it gives you a 90-minute runtime, which means, theoretically speaking, I tested it, depending on how you're spraying. So like this, you're gonna obviously go through it a lot quicker, but if you're spraying it in a mist, it goes through it a lot slower. Anywhere from 2 to 3.5 minutes is how long it's going to take to go from full to completely empty. So if you do the math, 90 divided by 3, that's 30. Anywhere from 30 to about 45 times, you should be able to fill this. And I've filled it about, like I said, 6 times. This is the 7th now, and it is going strong. It just indicates blue like that. I'm not sure what it's going to look like when it doesn't have enough charge, but as of right now, it is going strong. So for anybody that's worried about running out of battery in the middle of a job, trust me, with a bit of pre-planning, you're not going to have that problem. It takes about 2 hours, I believe, to fully charge it from beginning to end. But this product is legit. Super nice product, good build quality. The only thing I wish it had was, so if you look at this, I mean, this could be a good thing, but it's got this super wide mouth opening. Perfect. I just dropped it to show you a durability test. See, this is me going real quick here. No issues whatsoever, although other than me nicking it there. But basically, you can't put this on any other bottle, only on this bottle. So not the biggest deal in the world, but it'd be nice if it was kind of universal and you can just get it on whatever. So it does instantly spray out as soon as you pull the trigger. And I did notice that once in a while it does sputter a little bit, but it's like for a split second, so really not a big deal. So basically that's the Bigboi SPRAYR10. I absolutely love this product. I love it way more than this one that they also sent me. I hated this one. I didn't think it was worth the value. But this one is a super solid product. My fiance says she wants one as well, so I might get her one because she saw it and she's like, oh, I need one of those, because you can use it for around the house for watering plants and other things as well. But for car detailing, I am loving it so far, especially for the purpose of waterless washes. I have put 10 or 1 to 10 Meguiar's APC in here, and I don't know if you can see that, but I kind of rinsed it away, but it's starting to get a little white up here because that's what Meguiar's APC does sometimes. But a 1 to 10 solution of that, no issue spraying it through here. I had no issue spraying 1 to 4 wheel cleaner. Now, it does say to avoid acids and alcohol, which is a bit of a bummer because it'd be nice to be able to spray like a panel prep, but not a big deal. So that's the Bigboi SPRAYR10. I'll show you quickly how I use it in the rinseless wash situation. But so here I'm at a little test panel, and so what I do is I just use this, mist on a bunch of O&R onto the surface. Once I got a good amount of O&R, and it's not really, the beads aren't big enough to kind of drip off, but just enough to kind of hold onto the surface there. Now with a bunch of O&R misted onto the surface like that, you got a lot of lubrication on there. So when you go in with your wash sponge, it's just an extra amount of rinseless wash on the surface to make the wash process even safer. Now, do you absolutely need that? Not really. It just makes it a lot better, in my opinion anyway. So that's how I've used this product over my time testing it. Let's go back over here. Put that back in there. So yeah, so that's how I've used this product. Like I said, it's worked extremely well for me. No issues whatsoever. I love this product. Super nice to have a 35 ounce or 1 liter capacity here. So that means you can do quite a bit with this without having to refill it. I don't really have too many cons other than, you know, the fact that they could have gone with USB-C and they could have made this so you can thread it onto any 16 ounce or 32 ounce bottle, but not the end of the world. So super, super awesome product. I recommend this. Let me know in the comments if you've used this product or something like it and what you think. So comment below. And again, check out this review of the foam Bigboi sprayer, which was this one right here. Let me know what you think of that one. And again, discount codes and links in the description. Appreciate you checking out the channel.